a lot of questions on how am I able to travel as much as I am. I feel like that's a rude question, but let me tell you exactly what I do. I pay everything on credit. No, for real. So that's the main thing. But okay, hold on. Let me stop playing. But that is one of the reasons why I'm able to travel. But if you want to travel, it doesn't cost that much. You can do it in a frugal way like I do. The most expensive thing is going to probably be the hotel and the flight. It depends on where you're going. I like to have a nice room, so that's why my rooms are a little bit expensive. So the first tip on how to be able to travel anytime you want, it is to save money. Save money. You have to work in order for this to work. And you need about 7 sources of income. I know it's a lot, especially, well, it depends on where you live. I am from California. I live in California. It's very expensive. I say about 7 sources of income. I don't have 7 sources of income. I have about 5. Yeah, I have about 5, and social media is one of them. I am monetized on all of my social media platforms, so that is that's a suggestion. Maybe you should try as well. Try to build your social media account to start getting paid that way. And I'm gonna be honest, from Instagram, when I got that check, I took all that with me to this trip. So yeah, yeah, story of my life. So I'm trying to work fast. I'm going to a brunch. So anyway, so build your social media account to start making money. Also, if you don't have a business, maybe think about creating a business. You don't need a gap. I know a lot of people saying find a gap in the economy and then try to fulfill it. No, you do not need to do all that. I say if you want to sell clothes, it's oversaturated, still do it. Okay, so me and my mom, we own a boutique and we do pop-ups. So both of those are sources of income for me that helps me generate cash where I can have financial freedom. I am not where I want to be, of course, but this helps on the reason why I'm able to travel as much as I do. I still feel like the question is rude, but anyway. So talking about build your income. You need to build income. And if you're not in school, consider going back to school, getting your BA, master's, because that can help with extra money. I'm in grad school right now. I graduate next year and I'm getting a PhD right after. So build income. That's the main thing. And also, if you have a credit card, use it, especially when you're out the country in a different state. Buy 1 or 2 items, put something on that credit card, because on your credit card you get points, you get money back, right? And all that money can help you with your travel. It can help you with a lot of stuff. So that's basically what I do. And that's another thing, you need good credit. Build your credit, build your credit, build your credit. When I was younger, that was always instilled in me, to build your credit, build my credit. So basically, generate more income, save for that. You need to save for that, and put stuff on credit. That's the main reason I am able to travel. I'm being honest, that's what I do. And what else? That's basically it. Make more money, start a business, build your social media account, save, buy stock. Okay, I'm not the best with stock. I have a video on how to buy stock, and I know my ways are unconventional, but it works for me. And I do have some money on that I earn from stocks. I don't touch it, I just keep it in there. And also, have more than 1 bank account. I know it's kind of sound weird. And if you have another bank account, make sure it doesn't, like, you don't have need a minimum balance to be in there. I can talk about it in depth, but have multiple bank accounts. And yeah, just find ways to generate income. Find legal ways to build. You know what I mean? Like if you want extra cash, do Uber, do Uber Eats, any type of way. You know what I mean? Just to be able to travel. Because I feel like everyone should travel. I love traveling. And a lot of people just think I'm rich. I'm not. And half the time I am irresponsible, being honest. But I do like to spend money. But I spend money on, I like spending more money on experiences. And if you work a job, you have to have a job to even try to do this traveling thing. You have to have a job. So my job is a main source of income. I'll put some money away just for, I have a different accounts for specific things I want. I have a lot of accounts. Let's just say that. I don't want to go too in depth into it. So I'll put some money into my vacations fund. So when it's time for me to vacation, I just pull that money out. And I always thought that traveling was too expensive. You know what I mean? Like, and it's not. It's ways you can get around it. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money on your hotel, you can also go to like a third party. Go to a third party to book your hotel. It's discounted, but keep in mind the rooms are not going to be nice. It's not going to be nice. Like for instance, this hotel I'm at, if you go to a third party, they give you the worst rooms. I'm being honest. And I know that from, I tried it before. And also, I have reservations. I have to go. I'm just running them out. Okay. And also on TikTok. I learned it from TikTok. Alright, that being said, I have to go. I have reservations. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I love to answer. And yeah, so start traveling. And it's okay to do solo traveling. I love doing solo traveling. Right now, I am solo right now. And I also have a video on the do's and don'ts of being a solo traveler. So, see you guys later.